Lord. Y'all, welcome back to Louisiana, where it's hot as hell out this door. Woo! Baby, it is hot out this door. Oh, can you say hot out this mother freaking door? Baby, it's hot. It's real good hot. So yeah, woo. I gotta run to Target. I gotta do a return of my AirPod box that did not work to my AirPods, and I gotta do go to grocery store. So I'll be back soon, you guys. Oh, and guess what? I have a haul of some items. Yes. Leaving out of Rouses. Getting some alcohol beverages.
Okay, guys, I'm just leaving out of Target. I had to get some household cleaning supplies. So, yeah. I think I'm headed home now. I wanted to go to Walmart, but I don't feel like it.
So you guys, I ended up at the car wash because you guys know my vehicle need a good washing. So you guys, I ended up at the car wash because my vehicle needed a good washing. Y'all see the check engine light, the check engine on, the tire sensor light on, child, water for my windshield. That's broken on my truck. My sensors, I'm not changing them. It's not even worth changing. I got rims. And my check engine light, child, that's been on since my ex bought me this truck. So boom, whatever. Yeah, but y'all look, like I'm getting a car wash, you know.